Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2018 Highline 42 HY triple slide park model style travel trailer. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. This is definitely one of the longest travel trailers you're going to find. It is 42 foot long and it is sitting on triple axles. Overall condition, in my opinion, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, it's a 9. The only reason why I say a 9 is because there's a little piece on the slide out here. It's like a little piece of trim here. I guess it got caught on something while coming in. Easy fix, probably a $10 fix. But anyway, that's the only thing I found, and there's a little duct tape residue on the front that I'll show you, but a little goof off, see if the owners can goof it off. But other than that, this trailer, it's nice. Smells like new. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Huge floor plan layout for a travel trailer. Again, this is a park model style travel trailer. Perfect for parking at a lake lot or something like that. Maybe build some kind of a deck system out front and around the front and on the patio side. Alright, this is a triple slide. First slide out's going to accommodate the recliner chairs, and they are the ultra leather or leatherette. And the slide out's going to be, it's going to be maybe about 9 foot long, maybe 8 foot long, and it's definitely 3 foot deep. Cabinets up top there, and you do have day-night shades all throughout this camper, not just night shades. Zoom in on those fabrics. Fabrics are going to be, the color is going to be a gray, and again it's the ultra leather or leatherette, and they are reclining. And let's spin around to the front. A lot of residential feel on this. This is definitely not your usual travel trailer. This is all custom ordered. So the actual model and dimensions on this pretty much were impossible to find unless I called the manufacturer. This is a total custom built trailer. This floor plan isn't even in any of their brochures. So this is going to be a second slide out. It's going to be a super slide, and I believe they're calling the super slide in the living room 15 foot long. Accommodates the ultra leather sofa. And I do not believe that's a hide-a-bed or anything like that. So if you did want to sleep somebody on it, you could sleep just like this. So one grown adult easily. Fabrics are in excellent condition. And also in the super slide is the boot dinette. Boot dinette breaks down into a bed. Just remove the poles up underneath there. And the tabletop lays in between the cushions. Fairly easy. You can break it down within probably a minute. And this ultra leather fabric too. Everything again, it's kind of the gray color. Show off those window treatments, and again day-night shades. And you do have the recessed puck lights. Turn them off and on. You can push the little button here, or you have a switch on the wall near the entry door. I do also want to point out you do have the fireplace, which is a space heater. Not sure how many BTUs that is. Definitely neat, and your TV could go there if you wanted that option. Again, lots of cabinet space. Show up above here too. Nice kind of a smoked glass look finish. And I'm not sure what they're calling the cabinet color. Like a rich mahogany, but all your hardware is going to be a nickel finish hardware. Alright, all your carpet's going to be residential stain resistant carpet, and it's in excellent condition, by the way. Show the inside pretty much, with the exception of what I point out in the beginning of the video. Yeah, it's showroom. Walking into the kitchen area here, your high traffic areas, that plank flooring, vinyl floor. Nice little area if you wanted to put 2 bar stools right there. Lots of counter space. Lots of cabinet space. Microwave. Range hood with light and exhaust, and you do have, it's like a residential style oven and stove top. A 4-burner, not 3-burner like you traditionally get on an RV. And this is a gas oven. Nice glass on the front of the door. Nice deep residential stainless steel double bowl sink. They're calling it residential style fixtures and plumbing, but I do also want to point out full extension ball bearing drawer guides, and the cabinets are two-tone. Looks like a light oak down at the bottom, but then you've got that real rich dark wood up top. Pretty neat. Doing a lot of stuff that a lot of residential homes are doing now. And your refrigerator, let's back up here. This is going to be a residential refrigerator by GE, and this may be 18 cubic foot, might even be a 20 cubic foot. And this trailer is really for parking and leaving for long periods, so but this is just runs on electric. I do want to point out the pantry with the full adjusting shelves. Lots of pantry space, and you do have more storage space above the fridge. Okay, walking into the side hallway, into the bathroom here. We'll do the master bedroom in a minute. Give you an idea of that floor plan. Full residential style walk-in shower with glass enclosure. Let's open that up, show it off. It is one piece, so you don't have to worry about caulking seams in the tub getting all nasty and cruddy. This coach is winterized, I believe, so that's why the shower head nozzle's hanging down. Nice place to sit down, shave your legs. Residential toilet, not an RV toilet, so that's pretty much the same style toilet you're going to have in your home. Again, it's all residential fixtures and plumbing. Medicine cabinet. Nice vent fan. Oh, there is a louver here. This is your ducted AC, and one of the louvers popped off. They might have it, but anyway, pretty easy fix. Non-issue. Okay. And you are ducted heat and ducted AC all throughout this coach, even in the bathroom. Walking into the master bedroom here. This queen bed that slides out. There's your double door entry. One entry in the master bedroom and one in the living room. Washer and dryer is in there. I'll show that here in a second. It's going to be your third slide out. Accommodates the queen bed. The queen bed does lift up. Lots of storage up underneath. I would probably replace the mattress. Mattress hitting that real good quality. But slide out's going to be definitely 3 foot deep, maybe 3.5, and it's going to be it's going to be probably 7 to 8 foot wide. And more cabinets up above. The sofa, the mattress, and let's show off this huge closet space here. I do check all the corners inside and out for water damage. Did not find any issues. I do also want to point out these little plastic brackets, they break all the time. They're a dime a dozen. I would just put magnet and a magnet here. That's what most of the manufacturers are doing to keep the doors from sliding back and forth. Okay. Residential full stacking washer and dryer unit by Magic Chef. There you go. Get the idea. It's going to be your slide out button here for the bedroom, and this is going to be your breaker box. Residential style breaker box, not the converter that you usually get on a traditional RV, and that's where your TV would go. This is going to be your AC, probably 13,500 BTU AC unit for the bedroom. Looks like quick dump here and full adjusting, and you also ducted AC also in here from the 15,000 BTU AC unit. That's I'll show you in the living room area here. There's your 15,000 BTU AC unit with quick dump. Show that here in a second. Kind of show off that kitchen. walking in from the bedroom, and quick dump, open up these louvers, does a quick dump, cools it off real quick. Once it's cooled off, you just shut the louvers off and you've ducted AC all throughout. Your furnace is going to be a 40,000 BTU furnace. Your water heater, I believe, is going to be a 20-gallon huge residential style water heater, and I'll show that when we go outside. There we go. Guess you get the idea of the floor plan. Let's go ahead and go on outside. I do want to point out also, this is going to be your awning button, light switches, and this is going to be a charging port for smart devices. Oh, and there are 110 outlets all over this coach, so you don't have to worry about running out of outlets. Let's back up. It's going to be your furnace right there, furnace exhaust. Let's back up here, give you an idea of the floor plan layout. The sun might get me here in a second. It's huge. I have to back up more. Getting that triple axle, 42 footer. I'm not sure what the height is. I'm gonna guess somewhere around 12 foot. Aluminum corrugated skin on finish on the outside. I did check for hail damage, didn't find any issues. Usually I just pan down the side there, see if I see any little dinks. Usually hail damage is usually on one side, not on the other, but this coach really definitely 9 out of 10 is definitely a 9 as far as condition. There's your water heater, residential style. It's 20, might even be 25. Forgot to check it. And your dual Dexter easy lube axles, easy to grease. I'm guessing they're 8,000 pound axles. This coach, I believe, weighs 9,700 pounds. And there's your double door entry, triple steps. Kind of back up here. Your awning, I believe, is going to be about a 20-foot awning. I believe they offered between 18 to 25 foot. That looks like between an 18 and a 20 footer. Your window tinting, I believe, is going to be 80% window tint. You do have manual stabilizer jacks. Those are the ones you want, not the electric jacks. Definitely for a trailer like this. Show off that back there, and that Highline badge. You know, Highline's made by HL Enterprises. They've been in business since 1986. Show off that back side here. I do want to show off the underbelly. This does not have holding tanks. That's why I say this is perfect for a lake lot and parking for long periods. The plumbing goes straight to the sewerage drainage pipes that you get set up on your campground or on your lake lot, so you don't have to worry about tanks clogging up, freezing, cracking, or anything like that. There's your dual ACs up top. And all your tires are in excellent condition. Do want to point out it's 50 amp service. That's that window, residential style window that's in the hallway, that side of the hallway. It's going to be your 15 foot, 15 foot slide out, maybe 12 foot. They're calling it 15 on the other models, but again, this is a custom order. You can't find this on the brochure, so. And on the front here, this has got that park model style nose on the front, and looks like they had some kind of duct tape that's adhesive right there. It comes off. I just get the owners get a little goof off. It comes off real easy. See? Anyway, it's all just adhesive. So once that's cleaned off, yeah, it should shine up like a new penny. LP tanks, probably 230 pound LP tanks, and give you a good idea of that front nose. The ceilings are going to be 7 foot tall inside. Well, I know I didn't get everything. I don't usually do these style trailers, the park model styles, but yeah, definitely. If you're interested in a park model style trailer, I definitely think you'd be pretty happy with this as far as condition. I don't think you'd be disappointed. I think any dealer would agree with me. Okay, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.